Mystical poem of Rumi. Look at love, how it tangled with the one fallen in love. Look at spirit, how it fuses with earth, giving it a new life. Why are you so busy with this or that or good or bad? Pay attention to how things blend. Why talk about all the known and the unknown? See how the unknown merges into the known. Why think separately of this life and the next when one is born from the last? Look at your heart and tongue. One feels but deaf and dumb, and others speak in words and signs. Look at water and fire, earth and wind, enemies and friends all at once. You too must mingle, my friend, since the earth and the sky are mingled just for you and me. Be like sugar cane, sweet yet silent. Don't get mixed up with bitter words. My beloved grows right out of my own heart. How much more union can there be?